everybody, welcome back to NSplosions. It is Pi Day, 3/14. We just had some pizza for lunch and some friends over, and they got some kids over, and you know, it's daytime, and they wanted to see some fireworks. I don't have a lot of daytime fireworks. I've been sitting on this smoke dragon since my visit to Atomic Fireworks. It's Smoke Dragon by Winda. I think everybody knows what that does, so we're going to send that off. When I went to Elite, they threw in 100 pieces Apex titanium cracker. I have a jumbo crackling ball. I have some TNT blasters, which are just small crackling balls. I have some super ground bloom flowers and a variety of ground bloom flowers. I'm going to give each of the kids a box of poppets so that they can try those out. And then we have some sparklers for them to hang out with. So we're going to send these off in the daytime and see how they go.
This little thing? That little thing is supposed to be exciting
ball.
to the pyro world.
There you go, a little crackling ball.
Little crackling ball.
Stand back.
It's micro. You need like 80 of those to be exciting.
Jumbo crackling ball. Stand back. Stand back. I told you to stand back. Ground bloom flowers. Watch out. Watch out. Smoke Dragon by Winda.
Are they going up?
Yep.
No. I thought the film was on, but it wasn't on, so it missed your big babooms. We're ready.
Smoke Dragon by Winda.
Are they going up?
Yep.
Okay. Well, that was pretty cool.